A fishing sorry I missed your calling shirt Christian, from the Household Story Bible. By fishing sorry I missed your calling shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie, V-neck, tank top, sweatshirt, and fishing sorry I missed your calling shirt. Once I was a child within the 50s, we'd stroll the drag every Easter to exhibit our new Easter outfits. Together with a brand new hat full of the elastic that went below your chin to keep up it in your head, a new robe, church coat, and white gloves. Subsequently, no matter opinions people might maintain, along with the marginally absurd conflation of scientific actuality with politics, a really actual indicator of how a lot other products and NBSP